Imagine stepping outside on a cool evening, the air just crisp enough to make you pull your sleeves down, and right there waiting for you is a warm, glowing fireplace on your own patio. No restaurant, no resort, just your home transformed into something extraordinary. That feeling is exactly what the right patio fireplace can create. And today on Decor Like Dream, we are going to show you exactly how to make it happen. There is a reason outdoor fireplaces have taken over every home design conversation lately. People are no longer satisfied with a plain, underused patio. They want their outdoor space to feel like a true extension of their home, somewhere with personality, warmth, and a reason to linger. A fireplace delivers all of that in one single design move. It is the kind of upgrade that changes how you feel about your home every single day you experience it. Let us start with rustic charm, because it never goes out of style. Think rough-hewn stone, earthy textures, and a fireplace that looks like it has been part of the landscape forever. This style connects deeply with nature and creates a grounded, almost cabin-like energy in your outdoor space. It suits wooded surroundings, garden settings, and anyone who loves that warm, lived-in feeling. Rustic fireplaces don't just heat a space, they tell a story, and that story feels genuinely timeless. On the opposite end of the spectrum sits the modern minimalist fireplace, and it is absolutely breathtaking in its own quiet way. Picture a long, low flame framed by smooth concrete or polished metal, surrounded by clean geometry and intentional simplicity. Nothing is overdone, nothing competes. The fire itself becomes the art. This style suits contemporary homes beautifully and speaks directly to those who believe that less truly is more, when every single detail is chosen with purpose and precision. Your patio has more potential than you might realize right now. A fireplace is not just a feature, it's an invitation to slow down, gather together, and enjoy your home in a way that genuinely nourishes you. Whatever style speaks to you, whatever space you are working with, there's a patio fireplace idea waiting to bring it all to life. Thank you for watching Decor Like Dream. If this inspired you, subscribe, like, and tell us in the comments what your dream patio looks like.